What's your relationship with lemons?
My name is Simone. Since I was 8 years old, my friends call me Simone Limone. I started using it online in video games, DJing as Limone, and then Web3 and digital identities for my lemons. It's Little Lemon Friends. I collected like 20 of them at this point.
Kiss, marry, kill. Frame.js, Nanar, and hard coding.
Mary frames yes, because I spent a lot of time with it. It's Nanar. If I have to kill someone, it's art coding.
What does onchain summer mean for you?
Good energy and good vibes.
What's your favorite onchain summer drink?
Margarita.
With lemon?
Yeah, margarita, lemon, and little bit of salt.
Who do you nominate to join us next?
Greg Skrill, one of the OG builders in Farcaster, he onboarded me.
What's your favorite thing about Greg?
He really loves like building for fun. A lot of like side projects that are open source and contribute to the community.
And by the end of onchain summer, I
want to build more cool projects in consumer crypto in general. Participating in 2 hackathons this summer.
And what's your highest priority right now?
Onboarding more developers to consumer crypto. We're running a community in Rome.
What's your unpopular opinion?
An unpopular opinion that I also find myself against my closest friends in Web3 in Rome.
This is getting spicy.
Yeah, it's getting spicy. I think some meme coins actually are bringing in a lot of like memes, vibes, and ideas. Some of them I think are closer to what a brand could be.
What are your top 3 channels to follow on Webcast?
Top 100% is base builds, founders, and product.
How would you describe your coding style in 3 words?
Fast, effective, and fun.
Are you open for a challenge?
Always.
Which one do you pick?
Which one do you think I'm picking?
I have an idea, but I'm not gonna say it.
It's the one on the right, the third one.
The first NFT you ever minted.